Hello YouTube and welcome to my channel. Today I have a small Dollar Tree haul, one from Homegoods, Kirkland's, and IKEA. So let's get into it. I have these napkins here that I got at Dollar Tree. I got 3 of those, and I know y'all seen these little salt and pepper shaker time and time again. And I got some cashews. I have this Healthy Choice soup. And this Ocean Spray cranberry juice. And another snack of the delicious sweet pineapples. And they are very good, but they are loaded with sugar. But they are good. Okay, next I bought saltines. And this is new. Essential by Arm & Hammer body wash. And I think I got 4 of those. Okay. And here I have the strawberry pastry. And it comes 4 in a pack. And a cigarette lighter. Plus some antibacterial soft soap. And we'll get into our next haul. And I bought a bunch of candy from Dollar Tree. Just little candy, nothing new. And we have the pineapple juice beverage. And just more candy. More candy. And I bought 4 of these tapered candles. Okay, my next item, I had a fit over this in Homegoods. It is a Michael Kors purse. And the price of that was $129.99. And it is a crossbody because that's what I love, is crossbodies. And I think I would do well with it. I have Crush by Rihanna. And this is 8 fluid ounces. And the price is $7.99. And it really smells good. It's a soft soap smell, just the body spray, but it smells real good. I had to get it, and it is a accent rug from Macy's Backstage, and the price of that is $14.99. Just adorable. Love it. Okay. For my little niece at Backstage, it was $6.99, and it's by U.S. Polo Association. And I thought it was very cute for her. It looks like her. Yeah. Okay, y'all gonna have to bear with me. This is my first haul. It's $2.99. We used to buy this all the time from a place called Chicago Popcorn. It's very good. And I also got this Tommy Hilfiger backpack. And it was $29.99. Adorable. And my next item, it comes from Kirkland, is this piggy cookie jar. Head comes off. It is so cute. And the price of that is $12.99. It was on clearance from $16.99. My next item are these bowls. I bought 2 of those, and they are $9.99 a piece. Adorable. And I got them for Thanksgiving, use on Thanksgiving and Christmas table. And I'm just now getting around to collecting pineapple items. And I thought this was so cute. That I would use this pineapple tray for all my relishes for the holidays. And I have one more item to show you that I thought was the cream of the crop. And my last item is from Kirkland. It is this two-sided chalkboard. It was $24.99, but they had it on clearance for $19.99, and it has 2 sides to it. So I think we will enjoy this very much with writing our menus or whatever we're grateful and thankful for during the holidays. This is it. Thank you.